any pictures.
You don't?
No!
Well, that's all right. There's no film in the camera. Would you like to buy maps of the stars' homes?
Let's break down some real English from this movie scene. First, we see negation using an auxiliary verb. You don't. No. Here, do is the auxiliary verb that helps to form the negative. In spoken English, it's very common to say you don't quickly, and then confirm it again with a simple no. Next, we hear a short response for reassurance. That's all right. This is a quick, polite way to say that everything is fine. Short responses like this keep conversations natural and friendly. Finally, we see how to make an offer politely. Would you like a map to the stars' homes? Would you like? Is a polite structure we use to offer something or suggest help. It's softer and more respectful than just saying, do you want? These small phrases are essential for sounding natural in real English conversations. Practice them, and you'll speak more smoothly and confidently.
I don't want any pictures.
You don't?
No!
Well, that's all right. There's no film in the camera. Would you like to buy maps of the stars' homes?